When it comes to your home in Gaithersburg, windows are more than just a way to view the outside world. They serve as a crucial element for your home's insulation, security, and curb appeal. However, over time, windows can develop issues that not only affect their performance but can also lead to higher energy bills and discomfort. Understanding these common window problems and how replacement can solve them is key to maintaining a cozy and energy-efficient home. Drafts and air leaks. One of the most common issues homeowners face is drafts or air leaks around windows. In Gaithersburg, where winters can be chilly and summers hot, any drafts in your home can lead to uncomfortable temperatures indoors and a spike in energy costs. These leaks allow heated or cooled air to escape, making it harder to maintain your desired indoor temperature. Older windows with poor seals or weather stripping are often the culprit. How replacement helps. Window replacement can address this issue by upgrading to newer, energy-efficient windows that feature advanced sealing techniques. These windows are designed to keep air from escaping, improving insulation and ensuring your HVAC system works more efficiently. This can lead to significant savings on energy bills. Condensation between panes. If you've noticed moisture or fog forming between the panes of your double or triple glazed windows, you're dealing with a broken seal. This typically occurs when the insulating layer between the glass becomes compromised, leading to condensation. While this doesn't immediately threaten the structural integrity of your windows, it significantly impacts their appearance and insulating ability. How replacement helps. Replacing old windows with new energy-efficient models can prevent condensation issues. Modern windows are built with durable seals and advanced glazing options that maintain their integrity over time, ensuring that moisture stays out and your windows remain clear and functional. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Over time, windows can become difficult to open or close due to a variety of issues, such as warped frames, rusted tracks, or built-up dirt and debris. In Gaithersburg, where temperatures can fluctuate, these issues may become more pronounced, particularly in older windows made of wood or metal. How replacement helps. When you replace outdated windows, you can opt for materials that are easier to maintain and more durable. Vinyl, fiberglass, and composite window frames are particularly resistant to warping, rusting, or swelling from moisture, making them perfect for the fluctuating climate in Gaithersburg. New windows will glide smoothly and provide a more reliable barrier against the elements. Noise pollution. If your home is located near busy streets, airports, or other noisy areas, unwanted external noise can become a significant problem. Old or single-pane windows offer little insulation against noise pollution, which can disrupt your peace and quiet. How replacement helps. By replacing your windows with double or triple glazed, soundproof models, you can significantly reduce outside noise. These modern windows are designed to block noise transmission, creating a quieter, more serene environment inside your home. For residents of Gaithersburg, where urban noise can be an issue, this is a great solution to improve quality of life. Aesthetic decline. Windows don't just serve a functional role, they also contribute significantly to the aesthetics and curb appeal of your home. Over time, windows can become discolored, cracked, or simply outdated, affecting the look of your home and reducing its value. If your windows are starting to look worn out, it may be time to consider replacement. How replacement helps. Replacing your old windows can instantly refresh your home's exterior. With a wide variety of styles, finishes, and materials to choose from, you can customize your windows to enhance the architectural design of your home. New windows not only improve your home's appearance but also increase its resale value, making them a smart investment. Security concerns. Windows that are old or damaged can pose a security risk. Broken glass, compromised locks, or weak frames can make it easier for intruders to gain access to your home. In Gaithersburg, where security is a top concern for many homeowners, ensuring that your windows are secure is essential. How replacement helps. Window replacement offers the opportunity to install windows with modern, secure locking mechanisms and tougher glass, making it much more difficult for burglars to break in. With the right upgrades, you can also improve your home's overall security, giving you peace of mind. Conclusion. Windows are a key component of your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and security. If you're experiencing any of the common window problems in Gaithersburg, such as drafts, condensation, difficulty opening or closing, noise, or aesthetic issues, replacing your windows can provide a lasting solution. By investing in high-quality, energy-efficient windows, you'll enjoy a more comfortable home, lower utility bills, improved curb appeal, and enhanced security. If your windows are showing signs of wear, it's time to consider replacement for a better and more sustainable future.